What the hell did they do? Dude! I don't know if you can hear it, but the entire thing vibrates. So I don't mean to be a negative Nancy, but I really hate Toyota dealerships, and I'm not going to name which Toyota of Huntington Beach that I went to off Beach Boulevard. But they really messed up. See, lug nuts should be torqued to 85 foot-pounds. You can go anywhere from 80 to 90, and that's fine. But Toyota of Huntington Beach, they hit it with an impact, so it goes to 130 foot-pounds. And that's really good when you warp your rotor, or even better, snap a lug nut or a lug stud while you're driving. Because I have a pretty good feeling that they're over 100. 100 foot-pounds, 16 over. $100 foot-pounds. Let's turn this up just a tiny bit more. Let's go to 120 foot-pounds. Oh, I'm not BSing you guys. That is 120 foot-pounds on my very cheap torque wrench, but it is accurate. And I've tested that a bunch of times. 120 foot-pounds. Are you kidding? Not moving anything. 120 foot-pounds. Okay, let's go higher. I set it to 130 foot-pounds, and we're gonna test a couple of these lug nuts to see just how much they over-tighten these. So 130 foot-pounds. Let's put it on this one. Okay. Please look. Let's take a look at where this torque wrench is before we start. It's right behind this one. Okay, so let's see if it moves. $130 foot-pounds. Nice. So just letting you know, I've always done the work on my truck myself. This is the first time I've ever taken it to a dealership because I had a free 20,000 mile service. The best part about this is right after they took my truck on a joyride. I couldn't be too mad though, because Toyota of Huntington Beach left this. And I am very proud to say that I will never be returning to the dealership again, but I will keep this in memory. Well, she's all good to go now. Whoever worked on it before dropped all of the washers and the lock washers in the skid plate and then didn't feel like getting it out, so I had to go grab them. That's not a problem. This video really isn't to turn you away from dealerships if you're just a normal car driver driving a Camry or something. But for the guys who like to modify their stuff, do not take it to dealerships because they don't treat it with the same respect that you do. Especially if you are kind of nitpicky like I am. I don't know. I just like making sure it's being done. And if, they struggle on something like this, an oil change, there's no way I would trust them doing anything else. Peace out, guys.